Hello everyone, this is the Case Breakers. Tonight we're coming at you with the random for a 4-box break of 2013 Spectra football. Thanks for everyone for joining us tonight. All names have been entered into random.org. I'm going to randomize 6 times. Good luck everyone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Alright, here we go. I don't know why this is copying the numbers, but there are numbers on the papers, but that's okay. Alright, let's see who we have. I'm going to have to go this way because I need ink, guys. Chris R. with the Falcons. Chris R. with the Cardinals. Steve C. with the Falcons. Chris R. with the Ravens. Dennis C. with the Bills. Scott with the Panthers. Chris R. with the Bears. Ron with the Bengals. Welcome back, Ron. Brian with the Browns. Tucker with the Cowboys. Ryan with the Broncos. Vince with the Detroit Lions. Jeremy with the Green Bay Packers. Ryan with the Texans. Tucker with the Colts. Brian with the Jacksonville Jaguars. Calvin with the Chiefs. Shoei with the Dolphins. There you go, Shoei. Shoei with the Vikings. Nick with the Patriots. Terry with the Saints. Chris R. with the Giants. Calvin with the Jets. Tyler with the Raiders. Shoei with the Eagles. Terry with the Steelers. Chris M. with the Chargers. James T. with the 49ers. James T. with the Seahawks. Brandon with the Rams. Chris R. with the Bucks. Luna with the Titans, and Tyler with the Redskins. Alright guys, there you have it, and don't forget to check me out at www.thecasebreakers.com and follow me on Twitter at thecasebreakers. Boom, baby!